The LG V20 is here, and today I'm making a video about the LG Wing for Verizon Prepaid. So the LG Wing is not here on Verizon Prepaid. If you guys are interested in this one, it's available now on Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $9.99.99. No contracts, 256 gigabytes of storage, and it's available in the lower gray there. So yeah, this is a nice looking phone that has great features. So yeah. So here's the LG Wing. There's two screens. So this one you guys have a regular screen here, and then you guys have a secondary display when you guys flip open the phone. It does have a pop-up front-facing camera there, so pretty nice. That's the front right there with it being closed. So it looks like any other smartphone, so that's pretty cool. There's the back of the LG Wing. You guys have three cameras, dual camera flash, LG logo and whatnot. And like I said, you do have a pop-up front-facing camera, so that's pretty nice. There's the right side of the phone. There's your power and volume keys there, so pretty nice. This back of the LG Wing again. Three cameras. It looks like the Galaxy S20 camera setup there, so you know, pretty nice, I guess. And then beside the LG Wing is your SIM card slot. There is no SD card slot on this one, so do keep that in mind, alright? So the LG Wing has 15 days of standby time, 36.50 hours of usage time, 3 cameras in the back like I mentioned, 64 megapixel main camera, 13 megapixel. You have a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera, then you have a 12 megapixel ultra wide with hexa motion sensor camera, so pretty cool, right? And the dimensions are 2.93 inches in width, 6.67 inches in height there, so not too bad. So introducing the LG Wing, a smartphone with a unique dual display form factor that makes using your device an extraordinary experience each time. Use two apps simultaneously on the dual displays and take multitasking to a whole new level. With the swivel mode providing two separate screens, you can surf the web, chat, or search for whatever you need in the secondary display while watching videos in full screen mode on the main display. The triple rear camera system is equipped with a main 64 megapixel camera and two wide angle lenses to capture everything you see. With a large battery and ample storage space, you can keep all your favorite apps and content in one spot. And for those who want hands-free control, this device supports multiple wake words including Google Assistant and Alexa. It expands everything the LG Wing has to offer on Verizon's 5G Ultra Wideband network. So pretty cool. So that's the LG Wing right there in action. So this one has a lot of features on it, and yeah. So it's a unique swivel display. The LG Wing stands out from other smartphones because of its innovative and unique design. The main screen swivels clockwise, turning into landscape orientation. The swivel mode reveals a second display. The groundbreaking approach allows you to utilize your phone in a multitude of ways. The 6.8-inch Full HD Plus OLED main screen immerses you in videos and games, while the 3.9-inch OLED secondary display keeps you connected with other apps at the same time. So that's pretty cool. I'm not sure what the display is on the I'm not sure what display type it is on the secondary display, I'm not sure. Multitask better than ever. Use two different apps at the same time. With app pairing, the T-shaped dual display design lets you play, watch, and chat simultaneously. Experience interruption-free navigating on the main screen while receiving a call, which is shown on the second display. Text with your friends and browse the web while watching your favorite video. Easily snap stable pics and video using your one hand, and it says easily snap stable pics and videos using just one hand and shoot videos while previewing snapshots all at once. Get the shot every time. The triple camera system features a 64 megapixel main camera and two ultra-wide angle lenses. Capture vivid detail, crisp clarity and color capture vivid detail, crisp clarity and color or sweeping 117 degree views. Plus a 32 megapixel pop-up front camera, snapshot-worthy selfies. Then tuck seamlessly away and capture after capture. So pretty nice. Pro quality recording features. Gimbal Mode is an all-in-one innovative and Gimbal Mode is an all-new innovative and smartphone videography, making it easy to record super smooth videos with gimbal-like control. Just adjust the shot right from the integrated control panel on the secondary display, or try dual video recording to capture with the front and rear cameras simultaneously. See, now so this one has a lot of features on it. For $1,000, you're getting a lot for $1,000, so yeah, it's pretty cool. It says level up your watching experience. Watch a video on the top display and use the control. Watch a video on the top display and use the control board on the bottom display to fast forward, rewind, pause, playback, and adjust the volume. Keep enjoying the video and landscape orientation while chatting on the bottom display without changing the direction of the phone. All the power and space you need. The large 4,000 mAh battery provides enough fuel to multitask all day long. 8 GB of memory and 256 GB of storage means you can keep all your photos, content, and apps in one place for easy access. Like I said, there is no SD card support, so do keep it in mind. So that's all you get is 256 GB of storage. So if you guys need more, you guys will need to use a cloud service. So yeah. And of course, the LG Wing has 5G, of course. Obviously, right? 5G fast, experience lightning fast speeds. Download with ultra low lag and robust connectivity. Verizon ultra fast 5G ultra wideband network. Say that 3 times fast. Verizon's ultra fast 5G ultra wideband network. Say that 3 times fast, right? Puts graphic intensive download in the palm of your hand in seconds. Get more done without delay with 5G. Of course, it's 5G, of course. 4G LTE. It has 4G, and it has 4G as well as LTE Advanced with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 coast to coast. It's a world device which lets you use it in over 200 countries, depending on what plan you guys have. Standby time 15 days. Usage time 36.50 hours. cameras are you get 3 cameras on the back at 64 megapixel, and 2 ultra wide camera lenses at 13 and 12 megapixel camera with hexa motion sensor, 32 megapixel front facing camera. Dimensions are 2.93 inches in width, 6.67 inches in height, 0.42 inches depth, and the LG weighs a massive 9.17 ounces. And this is a hefty motherfucker here. So the LG Wing will be a heavy phone to tote around. You have a 6.8 inch Full HD Plus OLED display. That's a main display that's 2460 by 1080 pixels at 395 ppi. Then you also have the secondary display, which is at 3.9 inches Full HD Plus OLED, 4,000 mAh battery, and return on board. Says you get microSD expansion. You probably do. Well, I think you do get microSD expansion. Then I think you do get microSD expansion. So that's pretty nice. And you get 2 terabytes of microSD expansion. I thought you didn't get microSD expansion on the LG Wing, but you do, so that's nice. 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of internal storage. You get about 224 gigabytes available to use. There's a cyber rating, Serenade, network 4G, 5G, Snapdragon 765 5G processor, dual band Wi-Fi, 802.11 BGN and AC, Google Assistant, Amazon, you get Alexa as well, and you get AC voice, which lets you experience AC voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. If you guys ain't about your LG Wing, Verizon has you covered with that. Says that Verizon Wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So if you guys need help learning how to set up Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on the LG Wing, device support is a great tool. So what comes in the box in this LG Wing? Of course, is your LG Wing, pre-installed SIM card, embedded lithium-ion battery, which is 4,000 milliamps, USB charger, Type-C to 3.5 headphone jack, adapter, some ejection pin, for reference card, product safety, and warranty brochure there. So pretty nice. So do you guys have the LG Wing is now here on Verizon Prepaid? No contracts, of course. It's available now for $999.99 no contract. So this one's worth $1,000. In my opinion, I think it's worth it. You're getting a lot for $1,000. You're getting a lot. You're getting a lot of camera features, a lot of screen for $1,000. You're just getting a lot for $1,000. I wish the battery was a bit bigger. I wish the battery was like 5,000 mAh battery. I wish the battery was a bit bigger in this one to power both displays, but you should get decent battery life with this one here. We do get microSD card support, which at first I thought you did not get it, but you do get SD card support, so take advantage of that as well. Yeah, like I said, for $1,000, it's definitely worth it. And since it's on Verizon Prepaid now, you don't have to worry about contracts or nothing like that. So $1,000, no contracts. That's a win. And this phone is a great looking phone, great specs, great features, and it's definitely worth every penny of $1,000. So, yeah, there you guys have the LG Wing now available on Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.